Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. So we need to turn on developer options to accomplish this, so we want to swipe on down, go to settings right here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to where it says about phone. You can see developer options are already listed on here. So we can choose this and now go all the way down to software information. Go on down to where it says build number. So let's go to build number and tap this 5 times. That's gone unlocked now. We can go back. Then go to developer options and we can go on down until we get to USB debugging. And we can find it under here. Otherwise you can just search for it in the top right if you can't find it. So you might have to scroll on down for a while until this appears. So I think I see debugging, GPU. So if you can't find it, just go to the top right and go to the search icon right here, and let's type in USB. We got tethering. Let's go to debug, and it should appear now, USB debugging, and it's in the developer options, and it looks like it's right here. Okay, so we can just turn this on. Allow USB debugging. USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notifications, and a relog. So I'm just going to go ahead and enable that, and I should be good to go now on my computer and my phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.